Is the new Nintendo Virtual Boy Switch Recreation the retro gaming marvel you need in 2025? This honest review dives deep into Nintendo's peculiar return to its past, revealing if this tabletop 3D viewer is truly a weird success for modern gamers. You'll be surprised by its comfort, even for glasses wearers, and how its light-blocking design immerses you in that unique red and black monochrome world. Discover how your Nintendo Switch OLED, or even the latest Switch 2, transforms into a powerful retro machine, delivering classic Virtual Boy games with a surprisingly clear 3D effect. We tested the $100 viewer and holster, exploring its unique setup, requiring you to lean in rather than strap it on, which surprisingly eliminates motion sickness for a truly cozy gaming experience. Learn about the 14 promised retro titles, including lost gems like Wario Land and addictive 3D Tetris, and whether the required Switch Online expansion pack subscription is worth the investment for this niche hardware. Is this just nostalgia, or a genuinely fun way to revisit gaming history? This unexpected release creates a perfect gaming cocoon, allowing you to easily adjust IPD and even color schemes for optimal viewing. Find out if this unique accessory makes you feel oddly comforted, and check the description for links to buy the Nintendo Virtual Boy Switch Recreation and essential subscriptions early. Don't miss this complete walkthrough of Nintendo's most unexpected gaming release of the year.